Everybody, welcome to Unboxing Fun. Woo, that actually worked. Yeah. What are we unboxing today? Well, this pack of Peace and Calm Scented Oil Felt Tips. I didn't even know what scented with this. Didn't even know what oil in this. I just thought they were weird pencils that smell like poop. No, seriously, they really do smell like that. If you have smell-o-vision on it, you'll agree. Jeez. They should change it from peace and calm to war and stress. It just sounds like what it'll do. Anyway, let's start the opening. Let's start with a knife, and then we just smash into the packaging. That or you can just use scissors or your bare hands. I love stabbing things. Heck, so let's bust them open. Yay! Okay. 1, 2. Ow. Oh, I actually had it. Ouch. See? Ow. Okay, let's not try that part. Okay. Okay, ready? Oh, these wings are not good. Okay, ready? Weevil. Oh no! It's Sneaker Company! Destroy it! Destroy your logo! No wonder it smells terrible. It's because it's from Weevil! No, seriously. That's what it's called. Weevil. Ouchie! Ah, God! Owie! Ow! 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 Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! My horn almost fell off. I don't want to be a Pegasus. Oh look! Oh no! Look at it! I'll just hide it with hair and hope nobody notices. Not doing that. Jeez. Okay. Now then, I'll go get the scissors. Come on, yeah! Now that we got that settled with, time to play with this. Oh, it's really too bad. But hey, look, they love some space for the color. Let's test them out. Coloration mode. Color time. Oh, I hope you can still hear me. I got some bad accidents here. Okay? Let's test them. Let's go. Reviews mess up, they smell bad, but they're effective in its own way. So can we come fight a flower war, and well, we're done. Almost. Well, I gotta tell you something. There's gonna be a special announcement. You know, one of the Fast series. I mean the Fast series that was on this channel. For Unboxing Fun, before everything. Yes, even before demo days, which is new, so of course it's before that. It's, you know, MLP Pokemon X. Yeah, it's gonna now evolve to MLP Pokemon Ultra Moon. Yeah, isn't that cool? Yes, it skipped Pokemon Sun. But hey, yes, that means me and Felky are gonna keep going on our adventure to be something. Yes. And heck, we also have ourselves another person coming. Yes. A little help. Not help, I should say. Well, it's a sightseer. The sightseer will just appear everywhere and just be like the annoying person in the world. Just always there wanting to fight, always just taking up, never even walk. All this Pokemon that barely even walk by his Shakespeare. Yeah, it's gonna be amusing. So, everybody, get ready, cause it's gonna be one world of a ride. Okay, it's coming on the Flower Fight of the Flower War. I'll see you next time after this. I hope. Well, actually, don't count on it at all. But bye! Stay tuned for Pokemon X2 Pokemon Ultra Moon Part 2.